Hey, welcome back to the Crafty Nook. I have a package that I'm very excited about. I got this from Eccentric Moonbeam. Ooh, that's the wrong direction. On Instagram. I have ordered from her. This is my second order. And I actually reached out and asked for permission to post an unboxing and link her channel. Her Instagram. So I'm going to do that. This is my second purchase from her. I will also include the unboxing of the first items I got to the end of this video. I didn't want to film and post it without having asked first. Let me just open this. Okay, I apologize ahead of time for the dogs. Ooh, this is packaged well. It's all kinds of bubble wrap. Okay. Let's see. This is nice packaging. Oh my god. It's so much prettier than I expected it to be. This is the most gorgeous thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh. And my stuff's inside. Gosh, this is way prettier than I expected. Oh, I love it so much. So this little thing is a nurse. She's blonde. Look at her. And she was made in 1984, just like this blonde nurse was. If she had green eyes, she'd be me. But look at that. She's going to my office. Okay. We'll call her future Dr. Forgy. Okay. I got this in my last package. And I never expect something like this, but I'm always super appreciative. So thank you so much. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a guest check, a tag. Oh, it's going to be so fun to alter. Oh, look at that. That's neat. Ooh, that's very cute. Love that. Gracias por el regalo. I don't know what that means, but te gusto fue gracias. I think te gusto means you like or something like that. I don't know. I love that it's in Spanish though. Okay. That's amazing. Thank you. All this paper. Yes, gonna be using this for sure. I have a bunch of things I want to alter, and these things are gonna come in very handy. Oh, I love it. Oops. So I ordered these, and they're so very cute. Look at them. Bunch of cards. Look at that. Those are very old looking. I love it. So just a few little things this time. I got on there because she was having a sale, and this little thing was bringing me great joy, and I'm so glad. So I'm gonna add the other order that I got to this video. So let me do that. Okay, so I ordered this from Eccentric Moonbeam on Instagram. And it is a giant package. It is packaged very well. I did open it to peep in and make sure I got everything that I ordered. But otherwise I haven't really inspected it. So she was having an Instagram sale over the this past weekend. And I could not resist. This is really good to use in journals when you're making them to reinforce them. Okay, so here is what I've got. This is from January in 1983, or I guess it's the whole year of 1983. It says, do not tear off but turn over. So each side, we got June, July, August, May, September, April, October. And so it is a wall calendar. And it's got all kinds of stuff. Weather forecasts, our little brownie weather forecasters. And then the moon phases. The weather chart for January. And so they're double-sided. They are very, very cute. These would even make like a great journal cover, or even some ephemera pockets or something. Or, you know, if you do like daily journaling, you could use these numbers. Very nice. Raymond's Brownie Calendar. So this woman is from North Carolina, and so this came from North Carolina. From looks like a pharmacy. Okay. So there's that. Then I got, this is a blueprint, I think from the 50s or the 60s, I can't remember. But it looks like it's a blueprint for a house. And it is very large. I don't know if this is copyrighted or not. We'll have to do some research into that. But it doesn't have any identification of who this would have belonged to. This is actually a trailer. I guess like a mobile home. That's nice. This has got to be pretty old because their fridge is a Kelvinator. I'll have to look that up to see when they did Kelvinators. But it's got some notes written on them. Handwritten. Anyway, very neat. Look at that. Enlarged. I guess this shelf. I don't really know what they were putting there. I don't know what that means. Make cabinet 32-inch high, 1/2-inch clearance. Okay. Kind of smells weird. Smells like old paper. Okay, and so this is what I'm most excited about. So I originally found these. These are playing cards. She offers them a set of 2 cards for like $1.25 or something. And so I picked these up. This was a set. This was a set. These. These. And then I got these for my personal journal. And they're playing cards. Love it. Okay. So there's that. Then there were these flashcards, a set of 4. I did not realize how giant they were. They're Iroquois graded difficulty number cards. And then this is a Farmer's Almanac from 1959. Sorry, I was reading. They do have a little bit of, this does have some wear and tear. I don't know if this was being, like, ever used or not, but they've got eclipses, planting guides, some notes. This also has the best jokes of the year in it. And how to live to be 100. So then there's just articles. So it's got all 12 months. And then my husband's idea of a good time, sleeping all day Sunday. Air-conditioned store in Winston-Salem. Got ads. These are nice. I love these ads. Arthritis. Oh. A free trial. A free trial of what? Cosmetics, flavorings, foods. Show friends and neighbors, earn good money. What are these? Superior Court Calendar. Oh, wonderful for nervous stomach. Learn how to play the piano. A home altar. Household hints. If olive oil or cooking oil is used to lubricate kitchen appliances, the disagreeable thought of motor oil drippings into food can be eliminated. Wrap newspaper around a refrigerator tray of ice cream as soon as the cream is frozen to help prevent crystals. This is pretty neat. For your Social Security. And then what's this? Seeds and an almanac. Yeah. And then I'm pretty sure this is stuff that I did not order that she sent anyway. So there's some transport tickets. Not sure where, it just says Chester City Transport. Love that color. Here's a shipping tag with some great patina on it. A little file card, a guest check. Let's see, what is this? Ashton Sporting Goods, like a little stamp from 1959. What's this? The Two of Hearts means a loving companion. Answer to your question. You wished... shoot. It looks like a fortune. Double Jeopardy. When your doctor calls in a consulting physician. Okay. This looks like a lottery ticket. I think this is a lottery ticket. Like before they were scratch-offs. That's neat. While you were out, what is this? Oh, what is this? Stamps. Paste one S&H 10 stamp in each of the 15 blocks. That's neat. Do not paste single stamps in this book. What do you get? Please. A minimum of 300 stamps may be redeemed at the option of the holder for cash instead of merchandise. The cash value of 300 stamps is 50 cents. And the cash value of a completed book of stamps, 1,200, is $2. Huh. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and then the back. Huh. Not real sure what this is. Some kind of stamp redemption book. Is this like an rewards program? Wonder what year this is from. You gotta mail it in. It must be from a while ago if all they're giving you is 50 cents. And then here's my invoice. So lots of really cool goodies. Excited about these. I know for sure I didn't order these. So I got some freebies in there. That's exciting. So that is what I got today. Yeah, I got the calendar, the almanac, the flashcards, the blueprint, and then this playing cards. So yeah, this for sure is a freebie. So very excited. Anyway, I will be announcing my Etsy launch day next week on Monday. I'll announce the launch day Monday evening probably, and show some of the products and link to the Etsy store. Official launch day will be announced in that video as well. So thanks for hanging out this time today in the Crafty Nook, and I'll see you next time. Bye.